How to promote affiliate links on Pinterest for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can promote affiliate links on Pinterest. So let's get into it. Now, even if you're a beginner and you're just starting out with affiliate marketing, you can easily promote your links on Pinterest. And I'll show you guys exactly how in 4 easy steps. First off, we're going to take a look at the Pinterest business account. Then we're going to take a look at where you can find your affiliate products, how you can design them on Canva, and how you can use Linktree or Pretty URL to actually make sure that your affiliate links reach your audience. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go on to Pinterest.com. And once you are on Pinterest.com, you want to create a business account. Now, you don't need a business account, but it provides you with valuable analytics, and that can help you a lot in customizing and, building your account to the people's preferences. So you can just head on over to Pinterest.com, click on business on the top right, and once you click on business, you can sign up for a business account. Now, this is my business account over here, and once you have created your business account, make sure you add some images that are illustrative of the niche that you're promoting. Don't add images directly of the product that you're looking to promote, just add images related to the same niche. So I want to do wellness and makeup and something like that, so that is what I have added over here. Now, once you do that, you're going to add your bio. Now, keep in mind there are 2 ways that you can go about when you're adding your bio. First off is you can build a one-person aesthetic, which means that, okay, one person is running this account and, this is, ideas and inspo from that one person. Or you can run it as a proper business or just, a nameless entity. I am going with the first approach because it feels more personalized, people feel more included, and usually it is the better approach. So I have added in my bio ideas and inspo for all the it girlies. So you can add a longer bio and make sure if you're going for the personal approach, you can include emoticons or emojis in your bio as well. Now, below that, you can get started with building your pins. But before we get into building our pins, we need to cover some bases on how to find your products. Now, there are multiple different products that a lot of people are promoting, and I would recommend choose a product that you know something about. So whatever product you're looking to promote, whatever it might be, just choose something that you have some knowledge about so you're able to just better write about it. Just make sure that it's not something that's completely out of the field, out of the left wing, and you have no clue what to talk about. So make sure to keep that in mind. Now, let's say we are going to just take a look at some of the products, and this is a affiliate marketplace where you can find multiple different types of affiliates. So let's say we have Project Serenity, Steel Bite. So let's take a look. So this one is a nice one. This is a weight loss supplement, so I'm going to promote this over here. Now, to promote this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to design it on Canva, and to design it on Canva, just go on to the Canva homepage and search for Pinterest. Now you will see multiple different templates available. We're looking for a Pinterest pin template, which is going to be the size of 1000 by 1000 pixels. And once you open up this particular item, you guys will see multiple different pin styles, and you can even go into Pinterest to look for inspo. So if I am in Pinterest over here and I go into my home feed, and once I go into my home feed, I am going to search or just look for something, related to the idea that I'm looking to promote. So for affiliates, these are the types of inspos that are showing up. A lot of different types and styles are incorporated. So I'm going to go back into our create pin, and what we're going to do is, because we are looking to promote weight loss stuff, I'm going to focus more on the image that I'm using. So I think we are going to scroll down, and I'm going to go with this template. So I'm just going to click on customize over here. And from here, we're going to add some basic info over here. So the fastest way to lose weight, better than Ozempic, and safe for everyone. So make sure you add all of your basic promo information that you have regarding that product. You can find this on your marketplace on Digistore24 or any other marketplace that you are using to promote or receive your product. Now, once you have your particular product decided, you can click on the product and save your image over here and add an image of the product. However, I am focusing more towards maybe adding images of smart people instead of just adding images of the product, because the product is just a weight loss supplement. It's not going to look really that appealing. So instead of just promoting the product in the larger frame, I'm going to just add it to the side over here, or on top over here, not inside the frame but on the side. I'll arrange that later, but we're going to go into elements in Canva and we're going to search for model over here, and we are going to maybe search for skinny girl like this, and we're just going to add some inspo pictures over here. And then after that, I'm just going to insert our supplements. So these are the supplements, and we're just going to place these right over here like this. Now, once we've added this, we can add a larger tagline on the side. So let's take a look at some of the promo content. Now, another killer fat loss. So we're going to use this tagline in our text on the side over here. Now I'm going to remove killer fat loss, and now once I've designed my pin, I can click on share and then download, and we're just going to download this pin. Now once you download your pin, you are going to obviously upload it onto Pinterest, and you're going to add the listing. Now there is one essential step in this process, which is creating your link tree. So whatever title you add, you can add any descriptive title. Get skinny in 10 days, weight loss for women, the model body, whatever you want to add. And obviously you're going to elaborate on that, add as many keywords as possible. Then you're going to add a link. So this link is going to be your Linktree link, and I have already created my Linktree account. So you can just sign up with your email address, click on add link, and you're going to go into your affiliate marketing platform and copy your promo link. Now, the reason that we are using Linktree or Pretty URL is because you don't want to get shadow banned, or you don't want your products to be sidelined because these are affiliate products. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this, and I'm going to add killer weight loss for women supplements like this, and then you're just going to save it as well. Now, if any platform shows you that you have a unsafe URL, you can always go into Pretty URL over here, and you're just going to shorten your URL just so you have a better version of your URL. So we're gonna do a new Pretty like this, click on copy, and then add that to Linktree instead. And let's do another one, or you can just go into URL shortener if Pretty URL is not working out for you. You can go into here, shorten URL, and now you have a short URL that you can insert into Linktree without having to go through much hassle. And once you do that, you will see, your error will disappear, and our Linktree is now live. Now, what you're going to do is take the Linktree link on the top and then go into Pinterest and paste your Linktree link over here. Then you can choose a board that, works well with your overall aesthetic. So if you're promoting multiple different weight loss items, you can create one board for that. And in this way, you're going to create several different pins. So this is just one little pin. You're going to create many different pins on the same item, just in the same way. And you can get started with promoting your affiliates on Pinterest. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.